Oh, got one. Okay, as you see, the water level has went up since the hurricane. We had a hurricane, what, 2 days ago? And we're out fishing. Oh, we got the beautiful Vanessa with us, hair blowing in the wind, looking like the elegant woman she is. Look at that. I'm talking about the trolling motor behind her. Watch it turns. Watch it turn in the wind. I'm just playing. But yeah. Dedicate a day for that. We're going to fish that new wall over the day. Chillaxing and enjoying each other's company before the big game. The Georgia Bulldogs and the Alabama Crimson Tide. It's that day. Yeah, roll tide, baby. I guess I could throw at it. What the hell going on with that fishing pole? Oh, got one. Good one too. All right, guys, we got a good one here. Bottom spin has done its trick. Yes, sir. Bottom spin has done his trick. Good catch right here by these lines. I'm gonna throw back at it. We are not skunked. Nice size bass right here. Let's see if we can keep him or not. We're not going to keep him keeping. We're just going to get him in live well and release him something different. Sometimes that's good for your population. If you know, he is indeed not our limit. He needs to be 14 to keep. He is 12, but he is a fat guy. All right, get back out there. Let's do it again, guys. Yeah.
That was a good one.
Oh yeah. That 1 pound. Hey, probably been pushing 1.5 to be honest. Should have waited. So the bottom spin did his trick then, but he hit that hard. So for these conditions, you see, the fish are racist. White bottom with a little blade did the trick.